Meaning of Ipswich.
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 Ipswich. Ipswich is a town in Suffolk, England. Its name is believed to have originated from the Old English words Gypswick or Gypswick, which mean the trading place of the river, or harbor, of a man called Gypa. Ipswich is located on the estuary of the River Orwell and has a rich history dating back to the Roman Empire. Throughout its history, Ipswich has been a major port and trading center, with industries ranging from shipbuilding to agriculture. Today, Ipswich is a vibrant town with a mix of historic architecture and modern amenities.